go higher, my boy. So no matter what Ebuka Obi's anger is, it is important that he address it publicly. The public already know that but truth be told, if I am looking for spiritual help or namu need anything, I would rather go to adoration than go to Zion. Why I would rather go to adoration is that you have been ifulu n'ike nnewu ikwesịrị efu ya n'ike nwa ewu. Ọ bụrụ na ifulu ya n'ike nwa ewu na arụ mere. Father Mbaka is a humble man. Ebuka Obi is not. I think that Evangelist Ebuka Obi of Zion Ministry should address whatever issue he has with Rev Father Mbaka publicly. Do you know why? There is this number from UK. I have no evidence because someone can be in Ajegule and use UK number to call. They're gonna recharge it for the person. So there is this number from UK who calls people to tell people that 11 Ebuka Obi bulu Rev Father Mbaka n'isi we tachachachari ya afụfụ n'ụwa we buluzo obere ife Rev Father Mbaka kwesịrị imere ka ọ na-eme ha ọrịa. The number also claims to be an insider and know the truth more than me. What baffled me was when he was asking me, do I know Father Mbaka? I said no. Indeed, I know him from afar. If I know Father Mbaka, I will decamp to Christianity. If I know Father Mbaka today, I'm done. I'm going back. I'm going back. Mbafo I na-eje adoration ina na oji mma agba afọ ọnụ. Oji toothpick ibu na-etere Father Mbaka si tuwe Jesus afa. Si oji toothpick ibu na-etere la. Ochetere onye chefuru. Chiwo ogbeye. I miss those days, right? I am not talking about Father Mbaka because I know him. Of course, you know that. Knowing him is knowing God. I'm talking about him because I have urge for truth. I feel like truth should be exposed and not hidden. I feel like Ebuka Obi is playing the I don't want to talk card so that it will look as if no will if Father Mbaka Amelia. What if Father Mbaka Amelia? Remember that time the one girl yellow fake testimony. I see we saw a picture of Rev Father in the environment. That was the worst thing that I ever heard from the author of Ebuka Obi. You know why? You know that Father Mbaka, if Father Mbaka comes out na melo dugeju, you know that this man is one of the major gods, not a minor god. You say no, well, Rev Father for on our screen. Who is that Rev Father? If you want to address it, you should come publicly and address it. I will even more on for some time now. I have to say this as it is in my mind. Without minding whose house is God. I will even more on for some time now between Father Mbaka and Ebuka Obi. And then the Rev Father Jofo Emelom Gegene, and that even more has been on for some time. About a few days ago, the Rev Father won that even more. I will bring it to the layman's language. It simply means that the angel of Father Mbaka will return to Father Mbaka. You don't know what he's done for you. Ebuka Obi amali ife Father Mbaka amelia. Mani ife Father Mbaka mere Ebuka Obi bi ife Kenneth Copeland melo Oyedekpo na akpuru Kenneth Copeland itin na alute today. When people give you a part of them, Elisha may not know what Elijah had done for him. What Elijah has done for him just by following Elijah. Do you understand? The disciples of Jesus Christ may not know what Jesus Christ had done for them until Jesus Christ died. Ebuka Obi don't seem to realize that virtue left Father Mbaka. And when the woman with the issue of blood touched Jesus Christ, virtue left Jesus Christ to go and intervene. Do you understand? I acknowledge that Ebuka Obi metolo Father Mbaka can Obi. I think with Ilu Dikilu is character. And then Father Mbaka poured his spirit on this flesh. He poured different nature adoration. He poured different. He poured God on this man. It flows from the oceans of living water. And they landed on Ebuka Obi. I say, go higher, my boy. So no matter what Ebuka Obi's anger is, it is important that he address it publicly. The public already know that but truth be told, if I am looking for spiritual help or namu need anything, I would rather go to adoration than go to Zion. Why I would rather go to adoration is that you have been ifulu n'ike nnewu ikwesịrị efu ya n'ike nwa ewu. Ọ bụrụ na ifuru ya n'ike nwa ewu na arụ mere. Father Mbaka is a humble man. Ebuka Obi is not. Father Mbaka is meek. The Holy Spirit, you know that no matter who you are, when the Holy Spirit steps in, they give you their own kind of life. They match you with their standard. Ebuka Obi is still inside self-glorification song. Ebuka Obi have come to a point in life where sustenance is the problem. He has made big name for the ministry. But the angel of sustenance, the enabler, is returning to adoration. Prior this case, there was one. And the visible change is instant decamping and isolation and members retracing their footsteps. Because it has been Angel Father Mbaka all along. You don't know what it's not how many people. How many Pentecostals in Aka Father Mbaka Kolo? My work there, my why there, my way branches, Emma. I told you that number zero will nam ga about top 10 Pentecostal on the show. Nafa never about their source. If I will Virgin Mary to maintain the face Pentecostal face, Manafa will ya known. Manobody French or echo. Eh? You don't know what Father Mbaka had done for you. You have no idea. You have no idea. For you to be successful in ministry, you must model someone. Success in ministry means we find someone and model, and they become model the greatest Igbo man of God ever. And you claim you are falling out. Do you know that there are things Kenneth Oyedepo don't like about Kenneth Copeland? But Oyedepo knows that Kenneth Copeland is his God. And when you come to Winners, you must read Kenneth Copeland book Tire. Till today, Winners and Kenneth Copeland over. Even though now Winners have overtaken Kenneth Copeland, they are still paying tithe to the dean. They are still paying tithe to Kenneth Copeland. Because they know that when Kenneth Copeland, no matter who Oyedepo has become, and when Kenneth Copeland regain his retrieve his angel, Winners may crash. Winners may crash. Success in ministry is who is your father. Who is your father in ministry and who is your mother? People believe in your auction when they know your father. And so people cling to Ebuka Obi because they know that his father is Father Mbaka. So they believe that it's the same kind of thing, not knowing that it is not the same kind of thing. I said that the angel of Father Mbaka is going to return because the Father Mbaka already won a spiritual case. So please, Ebuka Obi, it's better you address your anger publicly. Instead of some people to be calling on phone, to be telling people how you suffered for adoration, it is better that you tell your story yourself, because the people saying may not really know what they're saying. And they're playing the gaslight and they give victim. We know the truth. We know the truth. We know the truth. Adoration Enugu. One of these days I should be there to go and dance. Yes, to go and be very, very happy, you know. I know that I may never get to see Father Mbaka. He's not, but at least I know that I can go and dance and marry, because I am for all religion. I am for no religion, and I am for all it. I like all religion. I am not interested in religion superiority. I am moved by love, not by religion.